tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to check the biggest crypto losers on the Kraken application. So once Kraken's opened up, I want you to go to the main page here on the home page, and where it says watch list, you can go ahead and slide this to the right and press on losers, and you can kind of see the biggest losers for the day. Another way you can do this as well is to go to the bottom and press on explore. Then where it says gainers right here, you can kind of just slide down and view a bunch of different popular categories right here. So you can go ahead and kind of change this out. This actually doesn't qualify to what you're looking for. So you can check out the biggest gainers right here by pressing on see all. But as I mentioned before, if you want to check the biggest losers, go to the home page, press on losers, then you can kind of see the biggest losers this way in regards to the daily percentage change. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to check the biggest crypto losers on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.